Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find the high pressure switch on your air conditioner, and I'm also going to explain to you what its job is. So before opening your AC, you need to remember that not every system has a separate high pressure switch. Many of the modern inverter air conditioners uses the electronic pressure sensors that are built into the control system instead of a traditional mechanical switch. Now, if your AC uses a conventional high pressure switch just like so, you usually going to find it on or near the high pressure refrigerant line in the outdoor unit. So you can just simply take a look at this type of small round or hex shaped component with two electrical wires connected to it. It's commonly mounted on the discharge line leaving the compressor or on the liquid near line the condenser coil. Now, in order to identify it more easily, you can trace the smaller copper refrigerant line from the compressor, and the high pressure switch is often threaded directly into the line and attached to a nearby service port. Now, if you remove the outdoor access panel and can't find the pressure switch, don't assume that it is missing. On many of the newer Carrier, Deccan, LG, Mitsubishi, and other inverter systems, monitor refrigerant pressure electronically through the pressure transducer. So there may not be a separate switch to locate. So I hope this video helped you understand this. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.